people, welcome back to One Day in Life with Minute. So I'll be vlogging my whole exam week. मेरा एग्ज़ाम कल से है, आज संडे है. Tomorrow is print media and I was just about to go down for a walk because I was feeling very suffocated in the house. I've studied a little but अभी कल एक तो एग्ज़ाम का टाइम रखा है ना 3 से 5:30 बजे दोपहर को, विच इज़ पीक गर्मी. सो आई थिंक वो तो मैनेज करना पड़ेगा, कोई ऑप्शन नहीं है. आई टेक यू थ्रू हाउ आई स्टडी, वॉट ऑल आई ईट, एंड प्लस अभी मेरी तबीयत भी थोड़ी ख़राब थी 2 दिन से. सो दैट्स वाई आई शो यू वॉट ऑल आई ईट एंड देन हाउ आई स्टडी फॉर एन एग्ज़ाम, हाउ डू आई मेक नोट्स एंड एवरीथिंग. और अगर इस वीडियो से कोई मोटिवेट हो जाता है पढ़ने को या काम करने को, देन आई थिंक दैट्स माई बिगेस्ट अचीवमेंट और गिफ्ट. My stomach is aching so bad right now. I just went for a walk for like 5-10 minutes. I met Hardan, my favorite baby in the building, and so I feel a little refreshed. I have to switch on the AC because अहमदाबाद में बहुत गर्मी है अभी. So just in case if you're interested in my syllabus, कल print media है as I mentioned. So I'm done with the first unit. So this is my exam setup. This is my syllabus sheet. इसमें I tend to write notes जो कि मैं ChatGPT से करती हूँ. Obviously because हम सब ChatGPT से ही पास होते हैं. I'll show you. ये सब, ये कौन सा टॉपिक, आई डोंट इवन रिमेंबर. या सो स्टडिंग द 5 फिल्टर्स ऑफ द प्रोपोगेंडा मॉडल जो कि प्रिंट के फर्स्ट यूनिट में है. दिस वन, नॉम चॉम्स्की एंड ऑल दीज पीपल. हाई, गुड मॉर्निंग. इट्स मंडे मॉर्निंग अभी एंड आई जस्ट शावर्ड. आई एम रेडी फॉर द डे, फॉर माई फर्स्ट पेपर. दिस इज़ माई फिट फॉर टुडे. फैशन इज़ इम्पोर्टेंट, एग्ज़ाम जाए भाड़ में. No, I'm just kidding. Exam भी उतनी important है. So this top is secretly from Zara kids section. Kids में भी boys section 14 to 15 years. If you're wondering ये कहाँ से लिया. And these cargos are from H&M. I love H&M fits. I might look like a homeless teenage boy. But wait for me to open my hair and then I'll look presentable. By the way, you can call me cringe, but this is how I study. I generally like to write notes myself because it's kind of fun and therapeutic. And in exam ke din, I highlight important points. That's my way of studying.
Media ownership is a situation where a single company or entity owns multiple media outlets, example newspaper, TV network, radio station, and digital platforms within same and different markets.
I'm having soft ka pani for my stomach. It was paining a lot yesterday. एंड अभी आई हैव डिसाइडेड 11 to 1 आई विल फिनिश जो भी नोट्स मैंने बुक में लिखे हैं. देन 12 to 1 आईपैड में थोड़े नोट्स हैं जो बाकी है. एंड देन 1 to 2 आई विल क्या सोचा था मैंने, 1 सेकेंड. 1 to 2 आई विल रिवाइज एवरीथिंग एंड मेक वेरी शॉर्ट ब्रीफ पॉइंट्स. एंड देन 2 o'clock I'll have lunch, 2 to 2:30, and then I'll leave because my exam is at 3. I'm sitting on the floor because I just needed a location change and I think that really helps. You should also try. This is a pro tip. Day 1. I'm stressing out because I'm a little late. I think it's 2:35 and I'm supposed to reach there by 2:45 max. I'll reach there in time mostly though. Bye. Finally, first paper is done.
I just got home and I'm so tired, so exhausted, hungry, sleep deprived. सब कुछ एक साथ हो रहा है. And I also look like a mess. I feel like a mess. I just want to look presentable. I look ऐसे एकदम जल्दी जैसे अभी तो. And yeah, I've come home to a parcel. Look, it's from Celebrate Beauty Every Day.
If you want to know what is inside, you'll have to check it on Instagram. I'll be posting a reel soon because this is for a collab. So I'll be posting it in like 5-6 days जब मेरी एग्ज़ाम ख़त्म हो. Yeah, that's it.
Now I need to prepare for tomorrow. मुझे सोने का भी मन हो रहा है. So I'm thinking if I sleep at 11 and wake up at 6 in the morning and then study, तो I think अच्छे से पढ़ाई हो जाएगी. That's my game plan.
Hi, good morning. It's day 2 and I just woke up. I feel so sleepy. It's currently 6 o'clock. Sorry, 6:30. I woke up at 6 and then I studied a little. Oh god, I want to sleep. I just want to go back to sleep. I'm so goddamn sleepy.
I also look like heavily sleep deprived, जैसे कि मैं एक रात से सोई नहीं. But that's not true. I only slept for 5 hours, which is very less for me.
Are you ready to see the sunrise?
This is the only benefit of waking up. You get to watch the sunrise, and that's so beautiful. And that too so beautiful.
Now do I look the part जिसकी एग्ज़ाम है? I just want to sleep and get rid of these eye bags. Hi, it's 11:30 and I'm having nariyal pani because it's my favorite and it's healthy also, obviously. And I'm studying. I don't think you can view ऐसे अच्छे से. I'll show you अच्छे से. Wait. So the reason why my screen looks yellow is because night light on किया हुआ है because so that मेरी eyes को ज़्यादा strain ना पड़े. I'm just leaving for my exam and this is what I'm wearing. I love this dress. I'm into t-shirt dresses a lot lately and I've carried my lip balm from Sebamed. I just got home at 6 p.m. and I think it went like decent-ish, not that great. It was like thoda above average. Hi, it's currently 7 p.m. मुझे घर आवे 1 घंटा हो गया and I think I should start preparing for tomorrow so that रात को मुझे stress ना हो सोते time. So I'm here with my syllabus sheet and I will start making notes मेरे style में. So I basically make notes on Canva. I'll show you how. I'm sorry, there's Tarak Mehta playing in the background because my dadi is watching it. I look nice, it's a bit choti also, I think. Welcome to my Hex home screen. Let's go to Canva. Yeah, so क्या click हो गया? Sorry, this was for दूसरा project. Home पे जाएंगे. होम पे जाएंगे. गुड जोक. या सो ये क्लाइंट सर्विसिंग वाला मैंने एडवर्टाइजिंग के लिए बनाया था जिसका कल पेपर है. दिस वॉज द टेम्पलेट आई चोज. आई लव कैनवा फॉर इट्स टेम्पलेट्स. इट्स सो मी एंड I mean this template screams Mehak because I am this quirky and colorful. I love Canva for its templates. Hello, welcome to day 3 of my exams. I am done with all the units. मतलब बेसिक तो मैंने पढ़ लिया एक बार. अब मेरे पास 2 घंटे बचे. मुझे फटाफट नहा के पूरा रिवाइज करना है चारों के 4 यूनिट्स. विश मी लक गाइज. I'm having dal chawal with pudina flavored chana and these chanas are my favorite. They're from Falguni, by the way, just in case if you're wondering. And I'm revising. I'm panicking also. My mom was dusting my room and this is how it looks now. I don't think I'll be able to study here now. मुझे दूसरे रूम में बैठना पड़ेगा. But thank you, मम्मी.
हम सब लोग स्टीम्ड मोमोज हो चुके हैं गर्मी में एग्जाम देके. है ना मेरे को भी.
My advertising paper went kind of good. मतलब it was like अच्छा भी गया. I think अच्छा ही गया compared to दूसरे पेपर. So I think काफ़ी अच्छा गया. I just gone for a walk because I felt मैंने खाना थोड़ा ज़्यादा खा लिया था dinner. So I think अब घर जाके I'm going to study for परसों's paper which is PR. By the way, look at my outfit. How cool am I looking? Hello everyone, welcome to day 4 of my exam week. I was studying. I'm studying अभी कौन सा topic? Success and failure with CSR activity. CSR is corporate social responsibility if you didn't know. और आज छुट्टी है because today is Mahavir Jayanti. Happy Mahavir Jayanti to all Jains. I am also a Jain. So wish me in the comments if you want to. Either way, I'm so happy because I had pav bhaji.
And I had paratha and bhaji for lunch today क्योंकि कल का leftover था. कल का leftover था जो मैंने आज खाया. Yesterday I had pav bhaji, आज मैंने खाया paratha bhaji and it was so good. I love bhaji, especially Bombay style की pav bhaji. I love it.
And I love the fact that अगर CSR का chapter है तो I've used green color for my notes and that's something so cute and ऐसे थोड़ा thoughtful भी लगे ना, मेरे notes को thoughtful लगेगा. What am I speaking? I'm uttering absolute bullshit. But you get the gist. कल मेरी corporate communication and public relation PRNCC का एग्ज़ाम है. So I've done 3 units, एक यूनिट बचा है. I think आधा यूनिट करके सोऊंगी, 12 से 5 सोऊंगी and then I can wake up after I can wake up after I can study after I wake up.
I wanted to come on camera and speak about something that I do while writing my paper is that जैसे कभी कभी कोई एडजेक्टिव्स याद नहीं आते, कुछ अच्छा डिस्क्राइब करने के लिए नहीं समझ आते कि मैं कौन सा वर्ड यूज़ करूँ. सो देन आई एम जस्ट लाइक गुड रिलेशन विद दिस, एवरीथिंग इज गुड इन द कंट्री. और क्या होता है, गुड एडवर्टाइजिंग, द ब्रांड शुड डू गुड एडवर्टाइजिंग, गुड प्रमोशन, एवरीथिंग गुड. एंड इट्स सो हिलेरियसली द अमाउंट ऑफ टाइम्स आई यूज गुड, बट एंड बिकॉज वाइल राइटिंग इज काइंड ऑफ स्टूपिड ऑल्सो बिकॉज उस टाइम मुझे कुछ सोचता ही नहीं. I'm just like और आधी घंटा में तो घूरूंगी. I'll stare at the wall, I'll stare at the invigilator, I'll stare at my friends. मैं पीछे मुड़ के देखूंगी कौन क्या कर रहा है. I'll do that while the exam is on. और तब जाके मेरा पेपर खत्म होगा डॉट एंड टाइम पे, जब इन्विजिलेटर स्नैच कर रही होती है पेपर्स. दैट्स माई वीक पॉइंट. क्या बोलते हैं उसको? I forgot. How I forget everything in 2 seconds is like insane. I have short term, long term, all memory loss.
Good morning. It's day 4. No, it's day 5 I think, or 4. I don't remember. I'm sorry. But आज PR और CC का एग्ज़ाम है. So wish me luck. It's currently 7 o'clock and I was supposed to wake up at 5:30, but I didn't because
I was not able to sleep last night अच्छे से, so I ended up sleeping at 1:30 I think. And then मैंने 6:30 का अलार्म सेट किया and right now I think 6:45 हो रहा है शायद. I made my coffee and I'm going to sit in my room and start studying. I'll write फटाफट छोटे pointers and yeah, that's it.
Mom has cut apple for me, so I was having that. So thank you, mother. Good job you did. Really like apple and fruits. My favorite fruit is watermelon. It's my favorite. Wait for it, guys. Look at this view. It looks so pretty, especially आज. I don't know, just because I'm vlogging आज sky बहुत सुंदर लग रहा है, but it's so pretty. And with this stunning view, I have my painting right there. It's so cute, right? This was inspired by Bob Ross. Hi, it's 2:30. I'm just leaving for my exam. Wish me luck. I hope I do well because it's public relations and मैंने पढ़ा तो है, but I'm still a little scared. मुझे इतना गुस्सा आ रहा है क्योंकि मेरा पेपर छूट गया आज. Hi, good morning. It's the last day of my exam today, Saturday, and I woke up just right now. It's 6:30 a.m. I slept at 12 around. I slept early because I was so sleepy. Even right now I have a headache. My eyes are hurting from looking at the screen, but I have to study on the screen only. तो I think थोड़ा सहना पड़ेगा. Finally, I'm so happy. आज के बाद all exams over.
लास्ट एग्जाम की खुशी में मैंने ढंग से पढ़ा भी नहीं. अब जस्ट स्टडी 1 यूनिट सोने से पहले और अब 3 यूनिट बचा, उसका रिविजन बचा है. सो आई एम लाइक पैनिकिंग अ लिटिल बिट. द पैनिक इज गोइंग टू इंक्रीज विद टाइम. व्हाट हैपेंड यस्टरडे व्हाइल आई वाज राइटिंग माय पीआर एग्जाम, लास्ट के 5 मिनट बचे थे और मेरे 2 मार्कर्स में 5 क्वेश्चन बाकी थे. और उस टाइम आई वाज इन सच अ हरी एंड मैम इज लाइक कि मेरे घड़ी में टाइम हो चुका है, सो यू हैव टू गिव द पेपर. एंड देन शी स्नैच्ड इट. सो मेरा पेपर छूट गया. I was very upset about it, but then again what can I do? आज का I hope अच्छा जाए because it's digital media. It's kind of like my forte. Not flexing, but हाँ, digital media में भी आप visual communication, SEM, SEO, and then online advertising, all of that. So which is like sort of like my domain. And then we have email marketing, जो थोड़ा I'm familiar with, right? All of us are familiar with email marketing and how it works.
Hi, it's 11:30 and I'm done with almost everything. खाली 3rd यूनिट में 1-2 चैप्टर करने बाकी है and then I have to revise all the 4 units. Hi, I just got back from my exam और हमारे बिल्डिंग में हनुमान सुंदरकांड का प्रोग्राम रखा है. So I'm gonna go down quickly. I've changed. I was wearing a blue denim shirt but I changed to this Indian wear. I don't like my lips shit, but I think it's fine. So yeah, I'm just going to go down. And my exam went so good. I'm so happy. As I was saying, my exam went really well. It was digital media, and I think this was my best exam till date. And finally, I'm graduated. I'm done with all exams. And I'm so happy and also relieved. I've come to mom's bathroom for my earrings because she took mine and I can't find them. Okay, bye. That's it. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Mundane Life with Mehak. See you in the next vlog. Bye.